The Kalstein Double Door Industrial Air Drying Oven offers cutting-edge technology for efficient dehydration and drying in mining production and industrial environments. The industrial air drying oven features a robust, cold-rolled steel housing and a centrifugal fan for uniform heating. It is designed for continuous, long-term, industrial-grade operation. It offers explosion-proof safety features. Temperature range room, temperature +5 to 250 degrees Celsius, with accuracy ±1 degree and fluctuation ±2%. Interior size 1200 by 900 by 800 millimeters, volume 864 liters, available in zinc or stainless steel chamber material. Uniform heat distribution, ensuring consistent product quality through precise temperature control with an intelligent PID controller and a timing function. A large centrifugal fan ensures uniform heat distribution throughout the chamber, providing homogeneous heating for industrial applications. External dimensions 2000 by 1450 by 1000 millimeters, net weight 214 kilograms. Control panel features intelligent microcomputer temperature control with digital display, and timer range 0 to 999 hours. Manufactured in France with premium quality materials, every Kalstein equipment is engineered to deliver guaranteed performance, exceptional robustness, and outstanding French excellence for laboratories worldwide. Explore the complete Kalstein industrial oven catalog. Precision, efficiency, and innovation for every industrial drying need. Visit kalstein.net and bring science to life.